Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka from 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yajnadana tapahkarma natyajyam karyameva tat ಯಜ್ಞೋದಾನಂ ತಪಶ್ಚೈವ ಪಾವನಾನಿ ಮನೀಷಿಣಾಂ. ಓಂ. Realize and always remember that the best means to purify yourself is by performing Vedic yajnas, performing charities, and doing meditation upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. So keep doing them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize and always remember that to purify myself, the best means is by performing Vedic yajnas, by performing charities, and by doing meditation upon you. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, I shall definitely keep doing them. O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasamyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 365th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with his friends, enjoyed all the food that Brahmana's wives brought. After that, Krishna Paramatma sent all of them back. That Brahmana's wives went back to Yajnasala. There, te anasuyavaha tabhihi stribhihi satram aparayan. There, their husbands did not find any faults, any wrong with any of those wives, and having their association, all those Brahmanas fulfilled, accomplished the yajna that they were doing. But surprisingly, one Brahmana did not accept his wife. That Brahmana's wife was Bhagavantam Yadhashrutam Hrudopaguhya Vijahau Deham Karmanu Bandhanam. She has lot of affection, devotion towards Krishna Paramatma. Because now husband rejected her, she started thinking about Krishna, meditating upon Krishna, enjoying Krishna's association within her heart, and giving a tight hug to Sri Krishna Paramatma within her heart and thoughts. With that, she got relieved from all kind of karma bondage, and then she even left her body and attained Paramapada Dhamam to enjoy with Paramatma eternally. O Parikshit Narendra. Like that, Krishna Paramatma, the one Govinda, the one Supreme, he let all of his devotees enjoy and experience so many of his divine miraculous activities. Sakshat Paramatma came down in the form of Krishna Paramatma, in the human form, and Reme Go Gopa Gopinam Ramayan Rupa Vakrutaihi. He let all the cows, baby cows, Gopalas, Gopikas enjoy all of his divine form and divine his speech, divine his miraculous activities. And while he is letting everyone enjoy, he also enjoyed in Vrindavanam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 5th sloka. Yajnadana tapah karma natyajyam karyameva tat. Yajnodhanam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Yajnadana tapah karma natyajyam karyameva tat. Yajnodhanam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.